Understanding Jingle Workshop, a fun guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and fun phrase, Jingle Workshop. This might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's dive right in. First, let's break down the phrase. A jingle is a short, catchy song or tune that's easy to remember. It's often used in advertising to make a product memorable. For example, think of a song from a TV commercial that you can't get out of your head. That's a jingle. Now, let's talk about workshops. A workshop is a place where people do practical work and learn new skills. It's often a space for creativity and collaboration. So, when we think of a workshop, imagine a place buzzing with activity and ideas. So, what does Jingle Workshop mean? It's a creative session or space where people come together to create jingles. This could be for learning how to write catchy tunes, for advertising purposes, or just for fun. It's a place where music, creativity, and learning meet. You might hear Jingle Workshop in different contexts. For example, someone might say, "I'm attending a jingle workshop to learn about advertising music." It's a phrase that combines both fun and professionalism. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, Jingle Workshop. Remember, English is full of creative and interesting phrases like this, and learning them can be both fun and useful. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.